Here we go. Here we go. Almost 2 inches. That's perfect. The customer was going to replace this whole slab and cut it out. But we fixed it. It was a nightmare, but we got it done.